How to view grade 7 results online, step-by-step guide to view your results. Hello and welcome back to our channel. We are back again with yet another step-by-step guide on how to view your ZIMSEC Grade 7 results on the portal provided by the Zimbabwe School Examinations Council. Whether you are a student, parent or guardian, this guide will help you navigate the process of viewing the results online. Stay with us and follow these steps to the end. Important points to note. Please note that the grade 7 results will be available on the portal for a limited period of time, usually 5 days. After this period, the results will no longer be accessible on the ZIMSEC online portal and will need to be collected in person. In some cases, if you are trying to enter the ZIMSEC results portal using their web address www.zimsec.co.zw, you may encounter an error message saying, "This site can't be reached. Check if there is a typo in www.zimsec.co.zw. Here is a detailed step-by-step guide on how you can view the ZIMSEC Grade 7 results online. I'm going to lay out 2 options. Option number 1. Accessing 2025 ZIMSEC Grade 7 results directly. Step 1. Visit the ZIMSEC results portal. Go to this link that I just put up there, and then you will find this page. Step 2, click on view results. You will get this page. Step 3, click on your school's region and you must get this page. Step 4, click on register as a new user. You will get this page. Step 5, enter your details carefully and register your ZIMSEC account. To register, you will need your center number, candidate number, and date of birth to create an account. Center number is a digital code given to your school. Candidate number is your unique examination number. Your date of birth, use it in the correct format: day, month, and year. Name order. Enter your surname first, followed by your first name. Then initial middle name, if you have any. Make sure that on the section you select November, and on the level section you should select grade 7. When entering your candidate name, follow this format. Start with the surname followed by the first name and the applicable. Include the initial of your second name. Please note, if you type your name in the wrong order, you will get an error message that says candidate details not found. So make sure everything is correct. Step 6, create login details. Create a unique username and password for your ZIMSEC account. Your username should have at least one capital letter and one number. Please make sure to remember your username and password for future access. To be safe, take a screenshot of the username and password, or alternatively write them down in a safe place. An example of a username password would be like as in the picture that I just put up. After providing all the required information, click on the register button to complete the process. If all details are correct, you will be taken back to the home page to log in, and the page should look like this one. Step 7, log in. Here you will need to enter the username and the password you created in step 6. After entering your username and password, you click on log in to proceed, and you should have a page exactly like this one. After you click on login, the ZIMSEC result portal will open, and you will be directed to a page that looks exactly like this one, written results portal. Step 8, view your ZIMSEC results. Click the candidate results on the top bar, and your grade 7 results will be displayed on the screen, and voila, you have your results. Save or print your results. Use the browser's print function or take a screenshot so you have a copy after the portal closes. Option 2, accessing 2025 ZIMSEC Grade 7 results by region. If the main link does not open, use the link that matches your region from the table below. 2, follow the same steps for registration and log in as outlined in option 1. Follow these steps carefully and be one of the first to access your 2025 ZIMSEC Grade 7 results online. Follow this detailed guide to navigate the ZIMSEC results portal effortlessly. And that's it, guys, for today's video. We wish you the best of luck always. Please do support us by liking and subscribing to our channel for more helpful and educational content. Happy learning. Goodbye.